Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. It's 2/22/22 and the S22 Ultra is here. Let's unbox it. Alright, so you guys know that the S22 lineup comes out on February 25th. However, a lot of people are getting them early. I'm one of them, so let's go ahead and unbox what I got. Now, if you ordered this from Samsung, they actually had a lot of different things you could get with it, and I got a bunch of different goodies. They wrapped this very weird. So I did get the super fast wireless charger, so it's 15 watts max, and it does have the power adapter in it. I also got the 45 watt power adapter because I thought that didn't come with it, but I guess I didn't need it, but it also comes with a cable. So got that too. The S22 Ultra. I got the S-View flip cover and the protective standing cover. All right, I know what you guys want to see first. Let's unbox the phone. All right, packaging is pretty simple, of course. We have S22. It's like a half-size box now because they don't include the power adapter. On the back, it tells you what it includes. Has the S22 Ultra, S Pen, USB-C to USB-C cable, ejection pin, quick start guide, and Samsung terms and conditions. Let's cut the seals. All right, and we have our S22 Ultra right on top. And I did get the white model, as you can see here. Ooh, she looking fresh. So there's white and silver on the sides, on the top and bottom. Looks super good. We have our documentation with a SIM card tool. And I guess that's where the cord is. Look at how, there's nothing in this box, man. Yes, we get our USB-C to USB-C cable. And that is literally it. Let's get some of that quick peel action. Ooh-wee. Further, let's go ahead and check out these cases. So first we had the S-View flip cover. So this one looks like it covers the front and the back, and you have a little view cover for the front of the phone. So let's go ahead and unbox this one. All right, so we have a little cover on it. All right, oh, that looks nice. All right, so I'm not sure what the material is on this. I'm not sure if it's like a leather or like a pleather, but I think it's kind of like a pleather material. But as you can see, we have a little hole cut out for the earpiece as well as for that little window. And I'm assuming when you put it on the phone, it recognizes that it's in this case. And it does have a nice little lining on the inside. All right, now let's go ahead and pop our S22 in the case here. So it is kind of like a TPU material on the sides of it, it feels like. Yeah, it still has like a leather covering around it, but it's like a TPU around the sides to get it in there. So as you can see on the front, we do have that little window, so hopefully the phone will adapt to that and realize that that is there. Have the earpiece opening there. And this has no magnet to keep it closed or anything, so it's gonna flap, you know, if it goes upside down, but at least you have protection for your screen. If you don't want to use a screen protector, you have that. We do have nice clicky buttons on the side. They are matte silver, as you can see. They look pretty nice. Covering at the top, hole for the microphone there. We do have, of course, perfect cutouts at the bottom for our USB-C charging, speaker, and our S Pen. Now, as you can see, the S Pen doesn't really pop out that much, so you're probably still have trouble getting this out. I have like no nails, so I can't even get this out. There we go. It's really hard to get that out of the phone. So if you use your S Pen often, this might not be the good case to get. But camera cutouts, of course, are gonna be perfect. First party case, Samsung branding. Like I said before, I think that this is gonna get very, very dirty if you get a white one. So I'd suggest getting a different color than I got here. All right, next up, let's check out the protective standing cover. I think I got it in white, or maybe it's clear, but it has two different colors for the stand itself. It is clear, as you can see. All right. Oh, so it's clear and it has white sides, so I think you could get different colors. And then you have the stand on here. How does that work? Oh, the stand. So it's a little plastic stand, so it'll just stand up like that, I guess. Looks like it just stands. Okay, so at an angle, and maybe it'll work horizontally as well. Okay, cool. So you do get another color for the stand as well. So you get this green one, and you can just replace that if you want to. I think the white on white looks better though, but you do have the green option. Let's pop our S22 Ultra in here and take a look. So it is like TPU sides and a plastic back. And of course it's gonna fit really well. So as you can see, it keeps a little bit of space for your screen, so you can actually touch the side of the screen. We have very nice clicky buttons as well. I really like this texture on the side. And you can see we actually have two spots on either side for a lanyard. I don't know who's using lanyards on these phones, but I mean, good on you if you are. Oh, that looks clean. I like this texture. So it's got kind of ribs on it, I guess, and they stick out just a little bit. But the whole case actually has texture to it, and I really like that. Yeah, so that's a nice looking case. And then, now the phone is a little bit heavy, but let's see if it works. Yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about that. Yeah, see how it leans? You can kind of see it leaning a little bit. I really kind of wish that was metal, but it seems to work all right. But other than that, it looks really good. I think that actually pops really well. All right, now let's take a look at the 45-watt power adapter. So unfortunately, you have to buy this now if you want to get an adapter. They don't come in the box anymore. Now, this one actually came with it because if you pre-ordered, you got a credit for a bunch of stuff, so I just chose a bunch of different random things. So it says compact design, but 45-watt charging is pretty impressive. So comes with the charger itself and compatible with Android and iPhone, so that's cool. All right, if we take this out, we have our super fast charging brick, and wow, oh, that's a chonker, man. Super fast charging, so she a little thick, no third prong or anything, but yeah, it definitely has to be thick for 45-watt charging. So that's how that's gonna look. And then you do get a cord in here. Wow, that's actually a long cord. I don't know how long this is. Let's see. Wow, okay. So it's USB-C to USB-C and 5 amp cord, and that's a pretty good quality cord, I think. So yeah, that's probably like at least maybe it is a 6 foot cord. I can't really tell, but that's really nice. So that is your, if you have to buy that, at least it comes with a cord. If you buy it from other companies, it doesn't come with the cord, you just get the brick. Last but not least, let's check out the super fast wireless charger. Now this actually includes the power adapter too. So I don't know, I'm just so used to Apple not giving you anything in the box. So this says super fast wireless charging, max 15 watts, includes power adapter. That's pretty cool. And this works on your Galaxy phone and Buds. So let's go ahead and unbox this one. All right, so here it is. So it does come in white and black. I chose white because obviously I got a white phone, so I wanted to match. So here it is. It looks like it has a nice little centerpiece and a little LED on the side, but looks really clean. It does have a fan on the bottom, kind of interesting. We have our USB-C in the back, and then you have your adapter right here, and then we have our cable right here. And that is USB-C to USB-C. That's a pretty short cord, so if your wireless charger is further than 3 feet away, you're probably gonna have to use a different cord, but I do like that you have an adapter in the box and a cord. All right, guys, so there you have it, just a quick unboxing of the Galaxy S22 Ultra and some accessories that I got when I ordered mine. If you have any questions or comments on this, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.